Hello everyone, welcome to Hey Tools. I hope you all are well and doing so well. In this video, I am going to showing about Scopus, and it will be a Scopus tutorial that how can you review the documents. And this is our website, and you can see that here are so many products we have. If you need anything, you just contact with us via our WhatsApp, Telegram, and also we have a website order. You can order from the website too. So if you need anything, contact on our WhatsApp, Telegram, or directly order from the website. We will help you in best cost for purchasing the Scopus or other database subscription. We have 3 months to 1 year durations subscription, and I hope this will be very helpful to you all guys those are looking for this type of subscription.
Welcome to ScienceDirect's Browsing Journals tutorial. There are several publications types in ScienceDirect. This tutorial explores the journal publications. You can access a journal homepage from several points in ScienceDirect. On the ScienceDirect Browse page, select the journal title. On the Search Results page, the journal title in the article citation is a link to the journal homepage. On the article page, select the journal title at the top of the article to go to the journal's homepage. The journal homepage offers links to the journal information you need. Review recently published articles and issues. You can review the journal's articles in press, if available, or review more of the latest published articles. Let's go back to the top and look at some other features available on a journal homepage. Many journal features are at your fingertips. Set up a journal alert so you're notified when an article in press and/or a new volume/issue are available. Request an RSS feed and receive notification when new articles are published. Go to the journal information page on Elsevier.com. Access the article submission form and guidelines. Visit journal-related websites. Now let's take a look at a journal issue page. To browse journal issues, select one of the content or issues links available in the journal issue page banner or use the previous next buttons. For more information about the journal, select About the Journal. Set up an alert and receive notification when new articles are published. Now let's look into the journal issue. To browse journal issues, select one of the content or issues links available in the journal issue page banner or use the previous/next button. For more information about the journal, select About the Journal. Set up an alert and receive notification when new articles are published. Now let's look into the journal issue. To browse journal issues, select one of the content or issues links available in the journal issue page banner or use the previous next button. For more information about the journal, select About the Journal. Set up an alert and receive notification when new articles are published. Now let's look into the journal issue. Articles from an issue are listed in the order they appear in the issue table of contents. To quickly identify the articles you may want for your research, select Article Preview. A link to graphical abstracts appears in the preview window if they are present in the article. To collapse the preview window, select Article Preview again. A link to download the article PDF may be available. Select the article title to retrieve the article. Let's go back to the journal issue page and look at other features available there. To download multiple articles from the issue, select the articles and then select Download PDFs. To export article citations and abstracts, select the articles and then select Export. For more information about browsing journals, go to the ScienceDirect Support Center. This concludes the Browsing Journals tutorial.